What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you're watching this video, you want to change the battery in your 2000 to 2005 Honda Civic. I went over to AutoZone. All right, this is the battery I purchased. If you want to look at the part number, things like that. It's for a 2005 Civic DX. It's the old battery. When you have a battery and you're happen to jump start it, when it gets cold out, the battery has extended its life. As long as your electrical system is working well, it's time to change the battery. It's very simple to do. All you want to do is you want to get yourself... Yo, Sonny! A 10mm wrench. You want to take this bracket off here if you have it. Just loosen this up. All right, take this guy off, hold it down, and you can do it by hand. And you're going to come over here and you're going to do this one too. Just move it over. It holds on. It's a hook underneath. You're going to just undo the hook. Now what you want to do is you want to remove your positive side first. Just loose enough so you can just get this guy off. Looks like we got a broken terminal there. It's cracked. The end there. We're going to take off the negative. Loosen this up. Just enough to get it off. Pull that off. Put this aside. And you're going to lift this battery out. It's got a little cover. Put the cover aside. You can take the whole battery out. Now you want to inspect the tray here. You can take this tray out. Kind of shake it off. Clean out what's in here. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. We got us a coin. It's a penny. Guess in the comments what year it is, and I'll send it to you. All right, we're going to look into that later. I'll reveal the year at the end of the video. Or actually, guess the year on this video, and in my next upcoming video, I will post the coin, and if you got the year, I'll mail it to you. Get all this shit out, get all this stuff out of here. Looks like some acorn action. All in all, this thing's pretty clean. There's no rust or rot on here. It's solid. We're going to put the tray back in. Just like that. We're going to grab our battery. And we're going to just lower it in place. Right on top of the tray. Bada bing. And we're going to put our little capper up, our little cover back on, which is nice. Make sure it fits in there nice. Then this little hook here, you're going to come down. There's a hook on the side. So you're going to want to get in between. And once you see it, you hook it and you bring this back over the top. And we're going to put our bolt back in that I've been holding on to. Hold this down with your finger or your hand while you're tightening the bolt. Once it gets started, and you could do the rest. you just do the rest. Nice and snug. Because you don't want this battery jumping around when you hit bumps. Nice and tight. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these installation kit, prevents terminal corrosion. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the these little washers here. You're going to take the two washers. You're going to do the green over the negative, and before you do that, you're going to grease both sides. You're not going to grease the actual piece, but just both sides of these washers like this. Just like this. And over here. Get both sides nice and greased. You can use rubber gloves if you want, but this is no big deal. Put it right over on the top. Take this little cover off and do the same to this. Squeeze the grease out. Don't worry, you could wipe your hands when you're finished. Once they're both sides are greased, you want to put your terminals back on. So we're going to put the terminal back on. We're going to get our wrench. Where'd I put it? There it is, and we're going to tighten this back up. Take your time, hold it down while you're tightening it. Want to make sure it's nice and snug so it doesn't come off when you're driving, and it's tight enough so it continues to charge. Cover that. I'll take negative and put it on there. We're going to tighten this up too. While you're tightening these, you want to just keep pressure. Make sure it's nice and snug. And again, you want this to be nice and snug too, so it's not moving anywhere. And that's it. That's how you change a battery in a 2005 Honda Civic. And remember, get this little kit. It keeps it from corrosion. You can take the extra grease too from here, and you could put some around these screws and terminals so there's no corrosion on here. Just around the screws. There you go. I hope this helped out. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. There's much more to come with this Honda Civic. We're gonna come out with a video on how to clean this engine safely without damaging any electrical wiring and make it look brand new again. And again, guess the year of that penny, and we're gonna shoot it on the next video. If you're right, we're gonna send it to you. The first one gets it right, they get it mailed to them. It's gonna be a good luck piece. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we gotta do now? Yo, Sonny! You down there, kid? Yo, Sonny!